Hello everyone, this is Raji. In this video, let us see Power BI interview questions. First, what is Power BI? Power BI is a cloud-based data sharing environment. Once you have developed reports using Power Query, Power Pivot and Power View, you can share your insights with your colleagues. This is where Power BI enters the equation. Power BI, which technically is an aspect of SharePoint Online, lets you load Excel workbooks into the cloud and share them with a chosen group of coworkers. Not only that, but your colleagues can interact with your reports to apply filters and slices to highlight data. They are completed by Power BI, a simple way of sharing your analysis and insights from the Microsoft Cloud. The Power BI features allow you to share presentations and queries with your colleagues, update your Excel file from data sources that can be on-site or in the cloud, display the output on multiple devices. This includes PCs, tablets, and HTML5 enabled mobile devices that use the Power BI app. Query your data using natural language processing. This is the main advantages of Power BI. So next question, how would you define Power BI as an effective solution? Power BI is a cloud-based business intelligence tool to analyze and visualize raw data that can be fetched from a wide range of data sources. It consolidates business analytics with data visualization and helps any organization to make business decisions based on data. It is easy to work with and data is processed in such a way that it is easy to understand and reliable. It can be accessed from different platforms and can be shared across on-cloud participants. Thus, it is an effective solution. Next question. What are the major components of Power BI? The major components of Power BI are Power Query, Power Pivot, Power View, Power BI Desktop, Power BI Mobile Application, Power Map and Power Q&A. First, Power Query. It is one of the most important components of Power BI to transform data. Power Query helps to extract data from different data sources like Oracle, SQL, text, CSV files, Excel, etc. and even delete data from different sources. Next, Power Pivot. It is used for data modeling that uses DAX, functions for the calculations. Relationships between different tables can also be created here and we can get values that can be shown in pivot tables. Next, Power View. The Power View is used for providing display of data and retrieving the metadata for data analysis. The views are interactive in nature and slices and filters can be used for slicing and dicing the data. Next, Power BI Desktop. Power Desktop is an integration tool for Power Query, Power View and Power Pivot. It helps to create advanced queries, data models, reports and dashboards and helps in developing your BI skills for data analysis. Next, Power BI Mobile Application. It is available for operating systems Android, iOS and even Windows. The app has an interactive display of the dashboards which can be shared as well. Next, Power Map. It represents geospatial visualization of the data in 3-dimensional. The data can be highlighted based on geographical location which can be continent, state, even city or even street address. Next, Power Q&A. It is used to provide answers to the questions asked by users. It works with Power View and can be answered with representation by Power Q&A. Next question. What are the various Power BI versions? Power BI has 3 versions currently. First, Microsoft Power BI Free or Desktop. Next, Microsoft Power BI Pro and Microsoft Power BI Premium. Microsoft Power BI Free or Desktop is used for anybody who wants to see their business insights from the data with visualization. Next, Power BI Pro is the full version of Power BI which enables unlimited viewing, reporting and sharing of reports which Power BI desktop doesn't support. Next, Power BI Premium. The Power BI Premium license is not a per user license. It provides a dedicated unit of capacity for all users in the organization. Next question, what is Power BI Desktop? Power BI Desktop is a free desktop application that can be installed right on your own computer. Power BI Desktop works cohesively with the Power BI service by providing advanced data exploration, shaping, modeling, and creating reports with highly interactive visualizations. You can save your work to a file or publish your data and reports right to your Power BI site to share with others. Next, what is Power BI Services? Power BI Services is a cloud-based service or software as a service. It helps to connect to your data, analyze, visualize and share business insights with efficiency. Next, what data sources can Power BI connect to? The list of data sources for Power BI is extensive. Like files, data can be imported from Excel, Power BI desktop files and comma separated values. Next, content packs. It is a collection of related documents or files that are stored as a group. In Power BI, there are two types of content packs. Firstly, those from service providers like Google Analytics, Marketo or Salesforce, and secondly, those created and shared by other users in your organization. Next, connectors to databases and other datasets such as Azure SQL database and SQL Server analysis, services, tabular data, etc. Next, what are the different connectivity modes in Power BI? There are three different connectivity modes in Power BI: import mode, direct query mode, and composite mode. First, import mode. In Power BI, import mode is the default mode since it is most frequently used and delivers fast performance. It can integrate the data from a data source as shown. Imported data is stored in the disk and it is fully loaded while querying or refreshing. Next, direct query mode. Direct query mode is another method of importing data with query to retrieve data from a pre-existing data source. When the data volume is too large, we use direct query to avoid refreshing data as it can take long time. Next, composite mode. This mode is a combination of these both import and direct query modes. This mode supports calculated tables with direct query doesn't. It delivers the best of import query and direct query modes. So these are some of the interview questions. Thank you.